Good morning, guys. About 11 o'clock. I've been up since about 7:30, and actually my sleep also cracked in the morning at about 6:30 or 5, whatever. So I've had a disturbed sleep. Slept I think about 6 hours last night. So again, like yesterday, the sleep was great because I think I slept at 11, right? So I think now I'm getting the pattern. It's largely because I sleep very late and because my biological clock gets affected. My sleep gets affected later because when I slept at 11, I slept for good 8 hours yesterday after like a few months. It was crazy. Like it was such a nice sleep the night before. The night again, my sleep was disturbed, so I have a headache again. That's the only thing I'm not being able to fix properly because I do sleep late. That's my schedule. I mean, the shows end late. Yesterday, Sunday, there are two shows, 8 and 10. Although 8 I hosted, 10 I did not host up top. So I was finished about 10:40, then I walked for a while because I had a bone color too. And bone color too I had to digest. So I had to walk for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever. So I mean, in terms of steps, obviously the week was great again. I hit about 1,35,000 steps. My target is 1,05,000. So 15,000 steps a day is the target. For the last 2 weeks consistently, I'm hitting over 19,000 steps a day on average. So that's a lot of walking again. It's not that like I mind it. I like walking. I'm a walker. But then I came back home, looked at some stuff that I need to do, looked at today's schedule and stuff like that, and that delayed the sleep, right? So I slept about 12:30 something, and I thought I'll sleep for 8 hours, but then my sleep cracked twice. So I will have to catch up on sleep. Although Mondays are supposed to be slow days relatively, so yeah. So I need to catch up, and then there's a lot of work to do, right, as usual. And there'll always be work to do till I'm alive. So retirement is something I don't understand. So I don't know why do people retire. So you retire from life when you retire. Don't retire from work. Retire from life. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the theme of this video. Retire from life, not from work. Cool. That's about it. Most of you who are in jobs would be at your jobs right now. Try to be happy. Okay, try to enjoy work. If you don't enjoy work, organically you can't force yourself to enjoy it. I mean, simple as that. You can't make fish climb trees. You can't make pigs jump trees. They're not monkeys, right? So you can't, like, whatever we do organically, we're supposed to do that. And that's how birds work, that's how animals work. Humans somehow force themselves to do shit they don't enjoy, and that sucks because that's the reason the world is such an unhappy place. They force themselves to do work that they don't like. They force themselves to spend lives with people they don't like. Take a U-turn, man. Take a U-turn. Come back and restart. Maybe you have some years of happiness left. Okay, so try to be happy. I'll catch you. Hey guys, so I talk so much about so many things, and as if I'm really confident about life. But do I get scared? I get fucking scared so often. I don't say much about it because I mean, that's not the impression I want to give out, right? I want to be in control. I'm trying to be in control. I'm trying to be in control of my emotions, of my fear, because courage is not the absence of fear. It's doing what you need to do in spite of it. So yeah, I'm trying to do that, right? But I do get scared a lot. For example, look at this vlog that I'm trying to build. I posted about 80 versions, like in 80 days. I haven't skipped a day, but it is not growing so far. My comedy videos so far, none of it has hit virality, has hit the kind of traction I wanted to. So I do get scared a lot, but I'm on it, you know. The reason I stay positive these days is because I've gone through so much shit in my life that I shouldn't be alive. So I keep reminding myself of that, and I've got a tattoo on my body that I shouldn't be alive. So whatever happens, I'm not giving up, because anything that happens, like, is a bonus. My life is a bonus right now because I shouldn't be alive. So that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm going to try and do, you know, to inspire myself, to inspire you to keep fighting life for happiness. That's what it is about. Alright guys, time for the day review. This is 6th of July, I think. Yeah, 6th of July. I had a pretty good day at decent day at the gym. I did crunches, which is usual, and a dance class. so that's good. Mostly a light day at the gym relatively to other days. Secondly, I had a decent spot at the show. There were only three of us today, three comics. I, Vikas, and Ketan. So we had to hold a 90-minute show. So all of us did about 30 minutes. So happy with that. Did like about 10-12 minutes of crowd work, rest jokes. So happy with that too. There's one woman, Kalpana. She didn't laugh as much, and that's irritating me. But fine. She's like, very few things make me laugh. But she came to the show, so whatever. The rest of the audience is good. What else did I do? The diet was fine, although I allowed myself some halwa and puri today. But that happened because there was a bhandara. So otherwise, I'm happy with the day. There's something very exciting coming in. Swimming from this week sometime. I've been scared of drowning all my life, and I wanted to learn swimming forever, and starting this week. So I'll keep you updated. Alright, good night. Bye.